Today, we're doing a classic, perfect for making a last-minute splash, bacon-wrapped shrimp. For this one, you're gonna need shrimp, obviously, 12 slices of good cut of bacon, and for our marinade, lemon, garlic, paprika, olive oil, and salt. Let's start with the marinade. Grate your garlic to get it nice and fine. Juice your lemon. I put my hand under to catch the seeds. Toss in your paprika, salt, and thyme. Then pour your olive oil and whisk it all together. Now we're ready for the shrimp. Make sure these are peeled and deveined. Bring these guys over to your marinade and make sure that they're thoroughly coated with a gentle toss. This is gonna chill in the fridge for 20 minutes. I've cut my bacon in half. Now I'm going to assemble. Take a shrimp, wrap it up in a piece of bacon, and then skewer that whole thing. That goes seam side down on a baking sheet, and then just repeat the same process for the remaining shrimp. Finally, let's get some color and some crisp on these with a quick broil. We're putting these about 3 to 4 inches away from the heating element, which should only take about 5 minutes. Pull them out and serve while warm. Great by themselves, with cocktail sauce, or honestly just about anything. Can't go wrong with bacon and shrimp.